Here we have a 2016 66 plate BMW 420i M Sport. Now this vehicle does come with over £1,800 worth of optional extras. We have 4 superb unscratched, unmarked 19-inch alloy wheels with the yellow brake calipers just hiding behind. We have your LED headlights, the black kidney grills, a full M Sport styling kit. So you get the front splitter, side skirт extensions, rear boot spoiler and also a rear diffuser. Continuing with the blacked out styling, so the M Sport kit and the black wheels, you have your privacy glass on the rear and also your black window trim. You have your front and rear parking sensors with visual display, your dual exit exhaust flush, the rear bumper and also the rear diffuser, power release, rear tailgate from the touch of a button, which reveals a nice spacious size boot for the size of this vehicle, with your storage bin on the left hand side. I'll pop that back down. You can see we do have the rear boot spoiler and also the blacked out 420i badger. Now stepping back, you can see this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and really does look superb from every angle, especially with the glacier silver paintwork and also the black out styling. Now if we go to the vehicle, go straight to the back, you can see we do have the full Dakota leather seats throughout, with the ISOFIX points, pulled down armrest, storage in the centre, integrated speakers with your blue trim on the back there. Looking at the driver's seat, there is a look at that one. It is fully heated, has the extended 5-sport. You have your electric windows just there. Jumping inside the car, you have your auto lights just there. Foot on the brake, you have a keyless start with a touch of a button. Multi-function steering wheel with paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode. You also have your cruise control and speed limiter just there as well. Now as you can see, the vehicle is free from any warning lights on the dashboard, and has covered just over 46,580 miles. Now we do have this screen in the centre where you can see a satellite navigation. That is your rolling shutter on the phone. There's nothing to worry about on the screen. If I just focus it, it then gets a lot better. We have your satellite navigation. You also have your media connectivity via DAB radio. You do also have your FM, AM music collection, aux, CD, DVD, Bluetooth audio and also USB. You have your Bluetooth phone connectivity there as well. Do get different drive modes, so you do get your Eco Pro, Comfort, Sports and also Sports Plus. You also have your sports displays just there. Pop the car into reverse, you have your front and rear parking sensor with visual display. Coming down here, you have your dual zone climate control, works exactly how you'd expect it to with your heated seats. Perfect for those cold winter mornings like today when it is -3. You have your dual zone climate control, 2 nice size cup holders for storage. You have your storage up there, and you have your 12-volt connectivity, track control on and off, drive modes, parking sensors. This is what you use to control everything happens on the screen. Soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath, BMW individual trim, and there's a look at the passenger's front seat. Now this big vehicle is available to take away today, free contactless nationwide next day delivery. So HBI Clear comes with fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.